Good evening, learners. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do this particular question, KCSE 2017, paper 1, number 17. That question was assessed back in the year 2017. And the reason I want us to do this question, this being our episode number 4 on gradient and equation of straight lines, today we were to discuss about the point of intersection. So that question is based on point of intersection, and the question is being displayed on your screen, so you can see the question on your screen and write it down. And the question reads two lines, line 1, two lines, line 1, two lines, line 1, 2y minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, and line 2, which is 3y plus x minus 20 is equals to 0, intersect at point A. They intersect at point A. The first question, find the coordinates of A. Find A. We find the coordinates of A, and that question is equivalent to 3 marks. It is equivalent to 3 marks. So in this particular question, we have been given the equation of line 1 and the equation of line 2. And we are being told to find where line 1 and line 2 are intersecting. So this being line 1 and this being line 2, the point of intersection is A. And for us to find the coordinates of the point of intersection, we need to understand that these two lines are equations of straight lines, and the point where they are intersecting, they tend to share the same value of y and the same value of x. That simply means both lines at x is the same, and at y is the same. So for us to solve this question, we are going to solve the two simultaneous equations. So we have 2y minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, and here we have 3y plus x minus 20 is equivalent to 0. So we will now solve the two equations. So we will take the constant to the other side of the equal sign, and we will be left with 2y minus 3x is equal to 6, and 3y plus x is equal to 20. So having that, we will now multiply with 3 here, how we solve simultaneous equation using elimination, and by 2, and that will give us 6y minus 3 times 3 is 9x is equals to 18. 6y plus 2x is equal to 40. Once we subtract, we will get this as 0. Minus 9x minus plus 2x will be minus 11x. Then 18 minus 40 will be equivalent to negative 22. And for us to get x, we will divide both sides by negative 11 by negative 11, where we will get our x as 2. Why our x as 2? Negative 22 divided by negative 11 is equal to 2. So by getting that, we can now proceed to get y. And how are we going to get y? We can use this space here. We will take either of the equation. We can take 2y minus 3x is equal to 6, and our x is 2. We can substitute our x with 2, and we will get 2y minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6 is equals to 6. We will take this to the other side and have 2y is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. And by dividing both sides by 2, we will get our y as 6. So we have our y as 6, our x as 2, and by having that, our coordinate in form of xy, which is A, will be 2, 6. We are done. That is how we determine the point of intersection between two lines. How do we determine the point of intersection between two lines? we solve the linear equation of the two lines, and the value of x and y is the point of intersection. So by having that, we can now proceed to the next question, that is B, and that we are going to do it. Thank you.